Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube page. I want to thank you guys so much for taking the time to not only subscribe but to actually watch this content. Like I said, I tried to drop a video pretty consistent just to give you guys a little bit more information about life insurance. Before you guys go and look to spend your money trying to get yourselves covered. What I want to talk about today is, can you get life insurance if you have diabetes? I'm going to talk about specifically about diabetes today, but this goes towards other, types of conditions as well. Uh, Cancers, if you had, I don't know, Alzheimer's, stuff like that, um, mental illnesses, stuff like that. No matter what kind of thing you've had in the past or even currently have, there is a life insurance policy that you can get. So today, like I said, specifically want to just focus on diabetes because I've had, numerous people reach out to me about diabetes, about having it, looking for a policy. And I just feel like it's, something good to talk about. So can you get life insurance if you have diabetes? And the answer is yes. Now, depending on what type of diabetes you have, and then depending on how you take care of yourself, pretty much decide if you get declined, if they up the premium on you, or if you just get like a regular regular quote. So this what I have on the screen right now is going to be for term policies. This is a company called North American, but the majority of companies are going to have the same type of standards when it does come to diabetes. So anytime I'm sitting down with somebody, they tell me they have diabetes. First things first, I want to know, hey, do they have type 1? Do they have type 2? So this pretty much right here gives me, all the information I need if somebody did, have type 1 or type 2. So pretty much if somebody was looking for term insurance, no matter what, you are, most likely going to get, an increase on your premium. Now, if you do have type 2 diabetes and you take care of yourself, there is a chance you could just get a standard, standard quote. Anytime you see these table, like for example, type 1 diabetes, you see table 3 to table 8, that basically means that they're going to be an increase on your premium. The higher the table goes, the higher the increase. Depending on which company, that'll decide, okay, hey, in table 1, X amount of dollars, table 2, X amount of dollars. So, but you can also get declined too. So if you're not taking care of yourself, they say right here, if you're overweight, you could get, an increase, or you can just get straight up decline. So like I said, this is going to be how you get underwritten if you do have diabetes for most term companies. But you can also, look at, getting more than just term. So looking at final expense for this is going to be a Mutual of Omaha application right here. And what I will say about them, they do have like the cheaper premiums. Now, what they'll do is they ask, hey, did you get diabetes before age 50 or have any type of complications due to it? So if you answer yes on a policy like this, you can still get your policy or your application accepted, but there's definitely going to be an I'm sorry, an increase on your premiums. Definitely. So if you were to answer, no, you had diabetes after, age 50, you've taken care of yourself, no bad complications, then, you'd be good, no premium increase, you know, policy would just go through. Um, Now, what I want to talk about last is usually like if I have somebody that has diabetes or they have a certain type of condition to where they cannot get covered, um, on, a term or on a final expense policy. What I'll do is I'll get guaranteed issued for them. So this is a Gerber policy. Guaranteed life insurance, basically they don't ask you any type of health questions or anything. Your application is guaranteed to go through, hence guaranteed life insurance. So that's pretty much like my last resort. This is going to be a very expensive option, I'll say, but it's not expensive as getting on GoFundMe and asking strangers to give you, you know, 10, 20, $30,000. So, you know, you can bury yourself. Um, but like I said, there's always going to be an insurance for everybody out there, no matter what your condition is. It might not be the one that you like, but if you do have certain conditions, your options are, you know, very, very limited. And also going back, I think I kind of skipped a part. So on these Mutual of Omaha applications, if I had a client that answered yes to this question, basically, like, not only would their premium increase, but they would have to wait 2 years before they qualified for a full payout on their life insurance. If something happens to them before that 2 years, then, you know, they would only pay back the premiums paid into the policy, otherwise called a graded death benefit. So when I do talk to, you know, mostly older people over the age of, you know, I would say 50, and we're looking at final expense insurance, you know. So if they did have diabetes, they answered yes to this. So not only do they have an increase on their premiums, but they also have to wait that 2 years before they get the full death benefit. Now, if they answer no, regular policy, you know, no increase on the premium, immediate payout, you know, whenever they pass. So but with all that said, like I said, no matter what condition you have, you can definitely get life insurance. It may cost more, but like I said, it's definitely worth it. If anybody has any questions, please don't hesitate to leave those in the comments. And then, you know, I'll also leave my website there as well, you know, for anybody looking for life insurance. So thank you guys again for watching. Please subscribe. Please tell your friends. And if you are looking for life insurance, I would definitely love to help you. Thank you so much.